everybody, it's Margot.
I'm Kelly.
And we're from My Favorite Quilt Store. I wanted to show you that we finished this pastel seed packets. This has been one of our most popular quilt kits that we have had, is the seed packets.
There's no question why.
So, because it is
It's so stunning.
beautiful. And it's a very easy beginner quilt because it's two sizes of squares, an 8-inch, an 8.5-inch square, and a 4 1/4 inch square, and you can just mix and match all the flowers and make it your own creation. So we do have a diagram that shows you exactly how we laid it out, but you know there's always room for interpretation.
Absolutely.
And changing
if you like
things
a
up.
certain flower better and that's where you want to put it there.
Yeah, or if you want to cut more of a certain flower, you can. There's plenty of fabric within this kit to cut extra flowers.
This is mostly made from the 2024 Kaffe collection.
In August, so it's just coming out. So you will see this just starting to ship anytime now. And if you love it, grab one and make it, because we really think it's beautiful in these pastel colors.
Absolutely. I also have to say I love the backing choice. Since this is the pastel, I think that it's got like a gray background almost that just makes those colors pop so nicely. And I love the binding selection.
Yes, it is. It's this particular fabric on the binding too.
It almost gives it like a scrappy binding feel, but without all the hard work.
Exactly. All right, y'all check out our seed packet quilts. Happy sewing.